What's your name? Where you from?
My name is Bob Schmidt, Metamora, Michigan.
What are you driving, Bob?
Driving a 1967 Marina Blue Chevelle.
Marine Blue.
Marina Blue, factory
Blue.
color. That's a 572 engine you're looking at right there.
Woo.
605 horsepower.
We gotta have a closer look at that.
Yeah, you want me to fire it up? You let me know.
Man, go ahead. Please be my guest.
Want me to fire it up?
Yes, please, right?
All right.
Yeah, let me hold that. Yeah. Talk to me some more about the engine. How long have you had this?
I've had this for 10 years. I bought it for my 50th birthday. I'm 58, I'll be 59 here in January. You're looking at an all aluminum dart block, aluminum heads. You ain't getting a bigger engine in this car. You got 2 electric fans for cooling because big engines run hot. You got a 4-core aluminum radiator to keep it all cool. I put this on a dyno in the red 605 horsepower. It had me clocked at 175 miles an hour.
Woo.
Before those belts right there blew off. Yeah, in a big pop.
Whoa.
Go around the back.
Yeah, I'm gonna go around the back, yeah. That smells like it would eat an entire gas station.
Oh yeah, you're looking at about 5 to 7 miles to a gallon right here. You definitely want to map out, like if you had an electric car, you'd want to know where those are. This, you kind of want to know where the gas stations are.
Can you open the inside for me?
Yeah. It's all original interior.
All original.
Interior is all original. It's
That's
original
beautiful.
paint job. Thank you.
That is beautiful. Really well kept.
Yes, absolutely. If it would have rained yesterday, she wouldn't be out today. That's how it is, man. We love our cars, baby. Yeah.
You know, I knew the forecast was bad, but I had to pull up despite it, and I needed to.
Oh yeah, you know, you see us. I mean, we're gonna drive it in the rain if we need to. But you know, Michigan and all that kind of thing, it'll eat a car up.
No.
You guys are Milwaukee, you know, same over there.
Thank you so much, man.
You're welcome.